Today we're working on a 2009 S-Class, which is the same as a CL. What we're going to show you how to do is how to remove this wood trim where the heater control is to access the ignition switch from the back. First step is we're going to have to remove both panels from each side. With your plastic tool, you can just remove these panels, pull them out. You're going to have one torque screw on each side. Now we're going to move over to the driver's side and do the same thing. Then we're going to follow through with the removal of the center part. Now we're on the driver's side. We're going to do the same thing with this panel. We're going to remove it and remove the one torque screw. Using your plastic tool, there's a little slot that you can enter in from there, and then just pry outwards. And the one torque screw to be removed. Now we're ready to proceed to the center part of the removal. Now that we've got our extremities unscrewed, we're going to remove the remaining screw in the center and then be able to pull out this wood trim panel. The last screw is right below this vent right here. You can just lift upwards on it, pull this little vent trim out, and there's going to be one torque screw in the middle. Once that's removed, now we can remove the wood trim. From underneath, being very careful because there is a fiber optic light that runs all the way across, we're just going to pull outwards on it. Making our way over to the side. The plastic trim here will come with it, but we can just place it back. This piece does not need to be removed. Once you've got this wood trim panel out, you don't need to disconnect it. You can just bring it over the steering column and just lay it down below. Now you have access to the ignition switch. Behind the ignition switch, there's two long plastic clips holding it. What you're going to want to do is, when you put your hands in, just slowly press inwards, and the switch will come out. And now we've got access to our ignition switch.